Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is transformation. This is confirmation. Transformation, you're changing, you're evolving. You want the world, your outside world, to reflect the perfect place, the harmony, your imagination, your intellect, your intuition that you have on the inside, your manifestations. But understand, to change the outside of your world, you must change the inside, because your world in the outside only reflects your reality on the inside of your body. So continue to transform to your highest, most positive self, and guaranteed the outside of your world will slowly but surely change. And actually, you never know. With change, once you get to the right point and the right changes are made, you can skyrocket straight to your blessings. Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, and Jesus Christ are in full control. And you never know what their timing is, but it's always on time. But make sure you meet the timing, make sure you meet the requirements. I constantly am evolving. I improve inwardly by working on my weaknesses and refining my strengths. Just because we are born with a weakness does not mean we have to stay with that weakness. We're all powerful beings. Where we find a weakness, we can turn them into strengths and become even stronger. And the stronger you are, the bigger blessings that you can maintain and actually receive. Life ensures I am presented with situations that help me learn and grow, become stronger. Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ wants to give you more and more and more, but you have to be strong enough to maintain it. I'm aware of my progress and open my wings to light. I transform and I shine, baby, shine. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.